To celebrate its 10th birthday, Instagram has added all of its classic icons on its app. There's a secret menu on the app that lets you revert to some of the classic app icons of yesteryear. In this video, I will show you how to change the Instagram app icon on all Android phones. First of all, you need to update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once done, launch the Instagram app and click on the three horizontal lines just behind the username. Now tap on the Settings button. You just need to drag down the Settings menu from the top to unlock the icons. You will now see a list of icons. Just select the icons that you want to use. On the next pop-up, tap on the Yes button. That's it. You are done. This is how you can change the Instagram app icon on Android. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video, and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.